they're yearning so bad to do it.
I'm just a white girl. Mama, have you ever wanted to work like doing all right stuff on a hat for the rest of your life? That's a TV show. Have you ever wanted to work like doing all right stuff on a hat for the rest of your life?
No, listen.
Have you?
Lisa, where's your meat at?
Right here.
I need no meat.
Well, that ain't my problem.
Really?
Ooh!
Arr, my back hurts.
She is in heat. He is a
Hello?
boy.
Save you. Go to bed. Check the biscuits.
Hello? Hey. I'm good. Uh-huh. I'll probably be for about 9.
Nobody wants to click on your chat, dude. Sorry.
Yeah. If 10's better, I can bring you 10. Okay.
Yes, this is not my actual live chat.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I got all Yep.
Ollie, if you were right there, do you think you're gonna be able to get in the cage if you're right there?
It's up to you.
Ollie. Ollie. Oh my god, he looked at somebody else other than Ziggy. Oh, he's back on her.
Hey,
I
bud.
mean, if he was gonna stay there, I'd say yeah. If he was gonna stay there, I'd be like, hey,
You want the
fine,
cage,
but
buddy?
Don't worry about it.
I want to let you in the cage.
Going off.
So I put you in the
Okay.
cage, you ain't getting out.
Alright, say more. No.
There's Ziggy. I mean, Ziggy was out. But no. Who was that, Dad?
Seaweed! Come on!
Was it that man by the fence?
Actually, a man about painting. A woman, actually. Elizabeth.
Whoa. Hello, my name's Ollie.